Just to show your grandparents that you can do this. You ready? Go. Good girl, you're doing it all on your own. Mommy's just being careful, making sure that you don't go too fast. Yes. We're 6 months old. So good. Yes, we are. Come on. Oh, Mommy's got to be careful. Let me go ahead and... There we go. I'm going to hold on to the bottom of this. Because you're just doing it on your own. You go... Oh, you're looking at your stuffed animals, huh? You're doing good. I'm going to hold on to this so you don't go too fast, because there's no brakes on this. Cameron. Hi, Mama. Okay, let's pause this and